The second edition of the Northeast Fashion Fest, which showcased the creativity of budding fashion designers of the region, was held recently in Delhi. It also served as a platform to promote handloom traditions and textiles of the Northeast. We take a look.
The 4-day-long Northeast Fashion Fest was held recently in Delhi. It showcased the works of designers, artisans, craftsmen and weavers. The main idea behind the event was to promote sericulture, handlooms and designs of the Northeast and give a chance to the local talent to interact with potential partners and market. As part of the event, an exhibition showcasing the rich handloom and handicraft products of the Northeast was organized. Many visitors appreciated the products on display.
আমি যিবিলাক ড্ৰেছ আনিছোঁ এইবিলাক ড্ৰেছ আমাৰ অসমতেই নহয় অল ইণ্ডিয়া আকৌ অসমৰ বাহিৰতো সকলোতে যাতে আমি এইবিলাক দেখাব পাৰোঁ বিক্ৰী কৰিব পাৰোঁ এই আশা কৰিছোঁ ইয়াত আহি বহুত ভাল লাগিছে
During the event, talented designers presented traditional designs blended with contemporary styles. Models walked down the ramp in creations of designers from the Northeast. Bollywood star Huma Qureshi walked the ramp in support of the effort. People of Delhi got an opportunity to see the work of talented young designers.
These shows are all about designing. It's giving platform to the viewers of Northeast. So I think it's a very good opportunity for the people from Northeast. And I hope they keep doing this kind of things here in the big cities.
During the event, Alobo Naga and the band from Nagaland enthralled the audience. A huge crowd enjoyed the performance and sang along with them.
The main purpose of the event was to, make people, the rest of India know about the Northeast. The culture of Northeast, to know about the fabric which actually comes from Northeast and which is a very fine fabric, which today even my designers, they say that they're totally blessed, doing collections over, the eri and the muga and mekla chadars and, all kinds of, even the gamcha for that matter. Wendell had displayed, in a manner which a gamcha, everybody was amazed about it, can be, one of the fashion statement. So not only the fabric, but even the music of Northeast we wanted to celebrate and make people understand that there's so much of talent there.
The fest was organized by Basics in association with the National Textile Corporation and the Ministry of Home Affairs. Such events create bridges of understanding between the Northeast and rest of the country.